Hello again, Josh Ledgard here from kickofflabs.com, the audience growth platform. So, as one of the ways we enable you to grow your audience is to set up simple contests where people enter to win and they can earn additional entries for taking actions and engaging with your brand. What we've got here today is a quick contest review for Project JDM. So, they are running a contest and let's give it a look. You can see right off the bat, super clear value proposition. They've got their brand front and center at the top, really stark, the black, the white, the blues, the reds. Project JDM, enter for a chance to win $500 super cheap auto gift card to spend on tools and get the JDM dream build back on the road ASAP. Here we are for their store. They're just making it really clear they're doing a gift card giveaway. So really simple. Anybody can do this. You don't need a partner. You don't need anybody else. You can just set up a gift card for your brand for your online store. And so they're giving away this gift card. You've got to enter to win. They make it really clear, customizing the button, say win the $500, and really clear, earn extra entries by sharing with your friends, subscribing, or following us. You can see right now I've got no entries. I haven't entered. And then they've got the winner information here. So the draw closes on March 31st. They'll be announcing the winner live on Facebook and Instagram. So that's a pretty popular thing to do. And there'll be one grand prize winner. Again, they repeat it at the bottom of what the gift card is. Let's go ahead and just enter this contest to see how it changes. All right, so they do take me to a separate status thank you page. So once I've entered, you can see I'm here. They thank me for entering, like legend, exclamation point. I love that. I just love when people personalize it, add some attitude to their contest. Thanks for entering. Don't forget to use the links below. And you can see they've got some personalized share links where for every person I refer using these share links, you earn additional entries. I can also get 2 entries for subscribing to their YouTube channel. So you can go over here and subscribe to their YouTube channel and get the entries for that. I could follow us on Instagram, visit on Facebook, and I could watch one of their specific videos on YouTube as well. So I love this contest. They're keeping it really simple. They're making it easy for people to share, and they're collecting a ton of leads doing this. You can do that too. Check out kickofflabs.com. See you soon.